Boyer, superintendent with Bates Utility. We primarily do waterworks, pipe work for MSD. Everything we do is in the ground. Do a lot of work for city water department, do a lot of big water main breaks for them. And so we're technically out here because of a water main break. The filtration found a way down to the sewer main, which is 30 feet deep. Over time, it undermined everything and the street collapsed. It tore electric lines, underground water lines. The emergency crews came out, shut the streets down. After they shut everything down, and they brought us out here to take a look and see what we could do. And this is where we're at right now, trying to make the repairs. We're 30 feet to the flow line. The pit right now is 45 by 16. It's tight to work in, but we don't want to overkill it. The shoring system is a combination of 3 or 4 things. We use sheet pile, we use street plates, which are 8 by 20s, soldier beams, and wood lagging. And all of that is held together by mega bracing. And our last waler system is structural beams that are put in. And then we put the spreader bar in, the last spreader bar that holds that. That's the only thing that's hydraulic on the bottom. It's a pretty unique system that I think we're going to continue using. It works really well.